Have you ever wondered how businesses, from your local coffee shop to massive online retailers, process payments instantly, securely, and sometimes even across borders? What about when cryptocurrency enters the picture? How do merchants deal with the volatility, the different token types, and the underlying blockchain technology, all while ensuring a smooth customer experience? For years, the world of traditional finance has been dominated by credit cards, debit cards, and bank transfers, each with their own intricate systems, fees, and processing times. Then came the digital revolution, bringing with it a new frontier, cryptocurrency. Suddenly, we had Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a myriad of other digital assets, promising decentralization, lower fees, and faster transactions. But the bridge between these two worlds, the one where you can actually spend your crypto at a regular store, has always been a significant hurdle. This is where solutions like Gemini Pay enter the scene, aiming to make cryptocurrency a viable option for everyday transactions at merchants. Today, we're diving deep into Gemini Pay, exploring precisely how it empowers businesses to accept cryptocurrency, what the process looks like for both the merchant and the customer, and the advantages and challenges that come with adopting this innovative payment method. We'll break down the technology, discuss the fees involved, look at the supported cryptocurrencies, and uncover why a business might choose to embrace crypto payments, or why they might hold back. So, if you've ever found yourself with a digital wallet full of crypto and a desire to spend it somewhere other than an exchange, this video is for you. Let's demystify how Gemini Pay makes it all happen. First, let's establish a foundational understanding of what Gemini Pay is. At its core, Gemini Pay is a feature offered by the Gemini cryptocurrency exchange that allows its users to spend their cryptocurrencies at participating merchant locations. It acts as an intermediary, facilitating the conversion of your chosen cryptocurrency into the fiat currency that the merchant needs to receive, all in real time at the point of sale. Think of it as a bridge between your crypto holdings and a merchant's traditional cash register or online checkout system. Now, how does this actually work from the merchant's perspective? For a business to accept payments via Gemini Pay, they first need to integrate with Gemini's payment processing system. This isn't usually as simple as flipping a switch. Merchants typically need to have an existing relationship with a payment processor that supports Gemini Pay, or directly integrate Gemini's API into their point-of-sale (POS) system or e-commerce platform. The integration process can vary in complexity. For smaller businesses, it might involve signing up with a third-party payment gateway that has already built out the Gemini Pay functionality. This gateway would then handle the technical heavy lifting, providing the merchant with a simple interface to manage their crypto transactions. For larger enterprises with custom-built systems, the integration might involve more direct API calls, allowing for a tailored experience and deeper control over the payment flow. The key is that the merchant needs a system in place that can communicate with Gemini's network to initiate and confirm crypto payments. Once integrated, the process for a customer making a payment with Gemini Pay is designed to be as seamless as possible, mirroring the familiarity of traditional digital payment methods. Imagine you're at a store that accepts Gemini Pay. When it's time to check out, the merchant will typically generate a QR code on their POS terminal or provide a unique payment link for online transactions. The customer then opens their Gemini mobile app, selects the pay option, and scans the QR code or clicks the link. Within the app, they'll see the total amount due in fiat currency, say US dollars, and they can then choose which cryptocurrency from their Gemini wallet they wish to use for the payment. Gemini Pay supports a range of cryptocurrencies. While the exact list can fluctuate, common ones like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and various stablecoins like Gemini Dollar, GUSD, and USD Coin, USDC, are typically supported. The customer confirms the transaction, and almost instantly, Gemini facilitates the conversion of their selected crypto into the merchant's preferred fiat currency. The merchant receives the payment in fiat, eliminating the volatility risk for them, and the customer's crypto balance is debited accordingly. One of the most crucial aspects for any merchant considering a new payment method is the fee structure. How does Gemini Pay charge for these services? This can be a bit nuanced and might depend on the specific agreement between Gemini, the payment processor, and the merchant. However, generally, cryptocurrency exchanges like Gemini earn revenue through trading fees and sometimes specific processing fees for services like Gemini Pay. For the customer, using Gemini Pay typically incurs a small fee, which is often incorporated into the exchange rate applied during the real-time conversion. This fee can vary based on the cryptocurrency used and market conditions. For merchants, while Gemini aims to make crypto payments attractive, there can be processing fees involved, similar to traditional credit card processing fees. These fees are designed to cover the costs associated with facilitating the transaction, including the crypto-to-fiat conversion and network fees on the blockchain. Compared to traditional credit card processing fees, which can range from 1.5% to 3.5% or more per transaction, crypto payment processing fees from services like Gemini Pay are often advertised as being competitive or even lower, especially for larger transaction volumes. However, it's essential for merchants to thoroughly review the specific fee schedule they'd be subject to. Beyond the mechanics, let's explore the benefits for businesses adopting Gemini Pay. The most obvious advantage is tapping into a growing demographic of cryptocurrency holders. As crypto adoption increases, more individuals are looking for ways to spend their digital assets. By accepting Gemini Pay, merchants can attract new customers who prefer to pay with crypto, potentially expanding their market reach. Another significant benefit is often reduced transaction fees. As mentioned, while there are fees, they can sometimes be lower than those associated with traditional credit card processing, particularly for high-value transactions where percentage-based fees can accumulate quickly. This can lead to increased profit margins for the merchant. Furthermore, cryptocurrency transactions, once confirmed on the blockchain, are generally irreversible. This offers a level of security against chargebacks, a persistent problem for businesses accepting credit card payments. While fraud can still exist in the crypto space, the inherent immutability of blockchain transactions provides a stronger defense against certain types of payment disputes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.